Let's create one more component of the car engine. In this video, you'll learn to make the intake manifold. And if you missed the others video, you can download this file in the description and continue the series from here. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step here, go to Assembly, New Component. The parent here is the car engine V5. The component name, Intake Manifold, and press OK. And here we will hide the others component and only show the intake manifold and the cylinder head, because we will make the intake manifold in the place and we use the cylinder head for reference. So here, go to create a sketch and select this face of the cylinder head, capture position, and here go to create project, include project, the geometry. We will select this face and here make sure that it is activated, projection link, and press OK. And finish the sketch. Go to extrude, select this profile, extrude this 10 millimeters, operation new body, and press OK. Look that we have the body one here, and show the cylinder head again. But now we'll make in this side, so go to create a sketch and select this face. Press letter P in the keyboard and select this surface here and press OK. And hide the cylinder head. Finish the sketch, go to extrude, extrude this 10 millimeters, operation new body, and press OK. And now go to create a sketch and select the right plane. And here, press letter P in the keyboard and select this edge here from the body 2, this edge here, and this edge here from the body 1, and press OK. I will hide this body a little bit. And look that we have this 2-point for reference. And here, select the 2-point rectangle. Click here in this point and in this point here. The distance here is 70 millimeters. And make sure that this line here is coincident with this point. Okay. And now go to fillet. Make a fillet here in the corners with 15 millimeters of radius. And press OK. And the fillet 15 millimeters. And now go to 2-point rectangle. And we will make a rectangle here with 40 by 40 millimeters, a square, sorry. And here, go to fillet. Make a fillet here with 6.35 millimeters of radius. And press OK. And now select line, a construction line type. Find the center of this edge here and find the center of this edge. If you don't find the center here, just click here, make this line coincident and go to constraint, select the midpoint, select this point and this line here and make the same in this side. And make this a horizontal line and go to sketch dimension. The distance between this line here and this one is 25 millimeters. I will hide the constraints a little bit. And here go to create and select a rectangular pattern. And here we will select this square and move this a little bit here. And the direction here, select this one. The distribution is extend, and the distance here is 235 millimeters. And press OK. We made this profile. And here, finish the sketch. And now show this body here. And go to create a sketch, and we will select this face. You can hide the sketch tree a little bit. And here, select the 2-point rectangle. We'll make a rectangle here with 40 millimeters by 34. And go to sketch dimension, select this line and this edge. The distance here is 11.7 millimeters. And select this line here and this edge here. And the distance here is 38 millimeters. And in the corners here, we have a fillet with 6.35 millimeters. And press OK. Let me move the dimensions here a little bit. And now go to create and select a rectangular pattern. The object, select this rectangle here. And move this. The distribution here is spacing. And the distance here is 146.05 millimeters. And the quantity is 3. And press OK. Look here, the dimensions here. And here, finish the sketch. And now go to create, select loft. Select this rectangle here. Make sure to select the both. And select this square. And change the connect to direction in the both profile. And the operation here is new body, press OK. Show the sketch 3 and the sketch 4 again. You can hide the body 1 and the body 2 and create another loft. Change the connection to direction here. Operation new body, press OK. And create one more loft here. And operation new body, press OK. You can hide the sketch 4 and the sketch 3. Let me show the other component here. And now we will create the same, but in this side here. So go to create a sketch and select this face. You can hide the bodies. And here, select the 2-point rectangle. Make a rectangle here. Is 40 by 38 millimeters. And go to sketch dimension. The distance here is 11.7 millimeters. And the distance between this line and this one is 38 millimeters. Sorry, here is 34 millimeters. And in the corners here, we have a fillet with 6.35 millimeters. So make this fillet here. And press OK. Let me move the dimensions here a little bit. And now go to create and select a rectangular pattern. Select the rectangle that we made here. And move this a little bit. And the distribution here is spacing, and the distance here is 146.05 millimeters. And the quantity is 3, press OK. And now finish the sketch. And hide the body 2 and show this 3 loft here and show the sketch 3. And now go to create and select loft, select this rectangle and select this square. Make sure that we need to change here to direction. And the operation here is join. And press OK. show the sketch 5 again. We'll make the same for the others. You can hide the sketch 5 and now go to Extrude and select all this profile here, the sketch 3. And the direction here, select symmetric, measurement whole length, and the distance here 8 millimeters. The operation here is join. And press OK. You can hide the sketch 3. And now go to create a sketch and select this face here. And select a circle. Make a circle here with 50.8 millimeters of diameter. And go to sketch dimension. The distance between the center of the circle and this edge here is 43.6 millimeters. And press OK. And go to constraint, select horizontal, vertical, select the center of the circle and the midpoint. And finish the sketch. Go to extrude, select the circle here. The direction here will be two sides. To this side here, the side 1, we will extrude this 24.5 millimeters. And to the side 2, we will extrude 20 millimeters. Operation join and press OK. Now we need to create the same in the other side. So we will create a mid-plane here. Select this face and this face here and press OK. And now go to create and select mirror. And the object, select the features. Select this extruding here. And the mirror plane, select this new plane and press OK. You can hide this new plane here. Let me hide the body 1 and the body 2 here. And go to shell and select these 3 faces here. More faces here. And the direction of the shell will be to outside. And the outside thickness is 5 millimeters. And press OK. And now go to fillet. Select this edge here. And select this edge here. The fillet here is 5 millimeters. And press OK. And now show the others component here, the others body, and go to combine. The target body is the body 1 and the two bodies is the body 2 and the body 3. Operation join and press OK. And now press letter A in the keyboard. You can add a color here. I will go to Paint Glossy. You can select any color you want. Move the color to this body and double click here and the color. You can change the color here. Okay. And now show the CrankShaft V5 and show the others component. Active the CrankShaft V5. And just to check if it is correct, let me select analysis in this face here. Look that the holes is correct. So let me try to the other side. So that's it. And here, just to fix this component, you can go to assembly and select the rigid group. And the component, select the intake manifold and select the cylinder head and press OK. Now we can't move this. So that's it. Here we finish our exercise. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.